One person died and 6 were injured after a portion of the roof of the Delhi airport's Terminal 1 collapsed on cars, including taxis, amid heavy rain early Friday, leading to suspension of flight departures.
कैटास्ट्रोफी तो किसी के हाथ में नहीं होती, अनफॉर्चुनेट होता है, बट हमारी एयरलाइन में एक कल्चर है कि पैसेंजर्स को हेल्प करो. पैसेंजर्स आर योर फैमिली, दे आर ऑलवेज फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. तो इसमें आप देखो हमारे जितने लोडर्स हैं, हमारे जितने स्टाफ हैं, जिन्होंने पूरी रात अपनी ड्यूटी करने के बाद भी सारे पैसेंजर्स को पैनिक में हेल्प किया, उनको पानी पिलाया, किसी का मोबाइल नहीं चल रहा था तो उसको फ़ोन किया, इंटरनेशनल पैसेंजर्स को अपना वाईफाई तक दिया, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि हम जितना हमारे कंट्रोल में है हम उनकी हेल्प कर सकें.
Civil Aviation Minister K. Ram Mohan Naidu said he was monitoring the situation and the injured had been hospitalized. He also announced a compensation of 20 lakh rupees for the kin of the deceased and 3 lakh rupees for the injured.
We have informed the airlines people immediately that passengers are the first priority for us also. So passengers shouldn't face any inconvenience. So till 2 o'clock, the flights have been cancelled because an immediate alternative was not able to be established here. So till 2 o'clock, the flights have been cancelled, and whatever flights have been cancelled, the passengers have been told that there'll be full refunds to them. And other than that, if they want to travel in an alternative route, that is also being provided. And from 2 o'clock, whatever routes are being operated from T1 have been diverted to T2 and T3.
Following the incident, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge in a post on X hit out at the Modi government, saying corruption and criminal negligence is responsible for the shoddy infrastructure created in the last 10 years. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also launched a scathing attack on the central government. In a post on X, she called Modi the prime inauguration minister, alleging corruption in construction works, including at the Delhi airport, the Jabalpur airport and infrastructure works in Ayodhya. The aviation minister said that the reason for collapse of the structure will be investigated into.
This structure has been built in 2009. And what we have asked the DIAL, Delhi International Airport Limited also, is to do a verification inspection from their side. But we are not just leaving it up to themselves. The ministry, from the ministry, we have DGCA also, which underlooks the safety aspect. So they will also be supervisioning this inspection, and they will also give us a report. And from our ministry side, I can assure you that this is taken as a very serious incident also, not just in this airport, but across the country, any airports that are with similar structures, we will have to go through them all again.
The injured persons have been admitted to Medanta Hospital near the airport. Of the 6 injured, 1 person was rescued from a car on which an iron beam had fallen.